Hello everyone, friends. On this channel, I'll show how to use Google Meet. This is a quick tutorial for beginners. Let's type Google Meet in Google. Let's go in. Here you log into your Google account and you have three options. Either start your own conference, join via a link, or enter a code. Using a link or code is straightforward. Enter it here and click the join button. Then you'll be admitted to the meeting. There. Since this is a tutorial, I'll click the new button to create a meeting, yes. And here you can create it with a link, right? Later when the conference starts, you can either begin it immediately or schedule it in Google Calendar. To keep things moving, I'll start it right now. So I've entered the meeting and my camera turned on automatically. You can turn it off by clicking this button. You can also click the arrow to select a different camera. You can even click and choose a custom background. Same with the microphone. You can press it, mute it, yes, you can click here and select another device as a microphone and another device for listening. Next, by clicking this button, you can enable screen sharing, yes. Clicking this button will display automatic subtitles. Here you can enable full screen mode, picture-in-picture mode, yes, which gives you this convenient small window. So the effects were visible. There are more settings here. They're basically the same, right? Here you can set it so we only speak when pressing the talk button. That's it. Video. Here you can select quality, choose what we send and what we receive. Here you can select the device, specifically our webcam. Here are the general settings. Here you can enable desktop notifications and automatically leave calls where you're the only participant. And here you can check the box just so your contacts can call you. And of course, here you can set up subtitles and reactions. If you don't need them, you can turn them off. This is what concerns the meeting, right? To invite someone, I forgot to show this. You need to send this code to the person, and they can use it to join your meeting. Here's the chat, yes. And you can also use some other paid features here. That's it. And here you can set up moderation like this. Here are also settings before the conference itself, where you can configure everything. Here you can block people and also set up call history. It will be here. That's all. This was Naeem. Goodbye, everyone.